welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your sociologist, research or business. If you are a sociologist, then manually responding to all the questions can be very hectic. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send responses on our behalf and also updates on research finding all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for sociologist, researcher, business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on the WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I'm going to send a general message like hello. And the chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Dr. Rao's Sociology Research Hub. Participate in surveys, ask questions, get research updates. How can I assist you today?" And it has given us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one. We'd love your input. To begin, please answer the following: age group, region, occupation. After this, you will get a survey link. So here I'm going to send my details. And the chatbot responds us with, "Thank you for your details. You can now participate in our latest survey here. Take a survey," and it has provided us with the survey link. Next, I'm going to choose the second option that says ask a question. Ask us anything. Our team is happy to clarify anything related to our ongoing research, participation process, result or analysis. Please type your question below. So here I'm going to ask a question. Hi, I wanted to know if participants can stay anonymous in the survey. Also, when will the final results will be published? And the chatbot responds us with, "Thank you, your question has been received as, hi, I wanted to know if the participants can stay anonymous in the survey. Also, when will the final results be published? We will get back to you within 24 hours. Meanwhile, would you like to explore our research?" And then I'm going to click on view research. And it responds us with recent publications, urban youth and digital habits in 2025. Summary explores tech impact on socio-culture behavior, published on May 25th, full report, and it has provided us with the link of full report. Want to get notified about the future publications, and then I'm going to click on subscribe, and then our chatbot responds us with, "You are subscribed. We will notify you when new studies or survey calls are published." So this is the chatbot that we have created. If you want to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, you have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, and when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to rename it to WhatsApp Chatbot for Sociologist Researcher Business. Now it is more relevant. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box under which there is an option to enter keywords. Keywords are used to activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and this is a specific pattern which is used to trigger on every keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. Now this will safely trigger the chatbot on every keyword. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here you can also see an option to choose templates. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates from which you can choose any template to send to the user. Once you are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message, and for that I'm going to access this text button from here. And here I'm going to add a first welcome message, like this. Our message will look like, "Welcome to Dr. Rao's Sociology Research Hub. Participate in surveys, ask questions, get research updates. How can I assist you today?" Here you can see I have added 2 star signs. This will make the text appear bold on the WhatsApp. Now with the help of this add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options, like join a survey or ask a question. Lastly, I'm going to add latest research. Once we are done curating our first message, we will create a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with join a survey. And for this, I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on the question button to get a question box. Here I'm going to take details of the user. We'd love your input. To begin, please answer the following: your age group, region or city, occupation. After this, you will get the survey link. Here you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. And to select contact custom field, we need to create one first. And for that, first you need to save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you need to go to the settings and then click on this contact custom field option. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you're done creating your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any. Then we are going to link this question box to the quick reply option. Next we are going to create a response for this question box and provide them a survey link. Here I'm going to add, and our message will look like, "Thank you for your details. You can now participate in our latest survey here. Take survey," and this is the dummy link to our survey. Once we are done with creating our first response, we will move on to the next. Ask a question. And for this, we are going to access the question box again, and here I'm going to ask us anything. Our team is happy to clarify anything related to our ongoing research, participation process, result or analysis. Please type your question below. And again here I'm going to add contact custom field, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the respective quick reply option. Then we are going to send a message that we have registered their question. A message will look like this: "Thanks, your question has been received as $add." Here I have added a $sign next to add because add is our contact custom field, and this $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual question sent by the user. Now I'm going to add a quick reply option as latest research, and here I'm going to add a latest research findings, such as this: Recent publication: Urban Youth and Digital Habits in 2025. Summary explores tech impact on sociocultural behavior, published on May 2025. Read full report, and this is a dummy link to our report. Want to get notified about future publications? And here I'm going to add another quick reply option, such as subscribe to updates. And here I'm going to send a confirmation message of subscription. And our message will look like this: you are subscribed. We will notify you when new studies or survey calls are published. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Sociologist Researcher Business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, using all the amazing features provided by the Pabbly. If you want to create a similar chatbot, you can do that following the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you create it, you can save your flow and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.